I was a bit upset during the feast because there was a plate that Michelle, Ian, and myself were sharing. So we had a big portion of rice. Aaron, I'm sure he didn't do it on purpose. He came in and he just grabbed more than half of the rice that was on our plate. And I looked at him I was like, bro, there's 3 people eating off this plate. And I didn't even, take any notice of what I said and just kept eating. So I didn't say anything. I didn't want to make a big deal, especially with other people there. I didn't want to look like, the greedy bastard in front of, a team.
But I think he's not straight. Parang, we're in the same boat. Pero yung boat ko may flowers. Sa kanya, leaves lang. Kasi I've, radar.
Nakakaloka kayo!
Yeah, dude! We're in the same tribe! Yeah. We're in the same tribe!
Kayo talaga ako kayo ganyan,
Ito kami,
I tried to talk to Aki. The boys tried to talk to Ervic kasi nga alam namin sila yung nabubulag.
wala ka man ng ilaw. Taray!
Nakakain ako ng gamo-gamo.
Si Aki naman, pagkasabi ni Michelle, syempre, sarmay ako, sinabi na agad, nakatingin si Ian. Sabi niya, be careful what you say to Ian. Tapos nakatingin si Ian, sabi ko, stupid. At that point na yun, so kay Aubrey na talaga, parang nagsisimula na siyang maano sa nerves ko na hindi niya talaga kami titigilan ni John.
Alright guys, we had enough for today.
Thank you so much, Nagar, for,
The house.
place.
You're here!
Bubuluhin mo ba kami? Nagpapaano mo? Nasaan na yung bola?
Para hindi Kaya gaya.
Si John, sabi na, okay guys, that's it, ubos na, wala nang one. Sabi ko, ano nangyari? Ba't tayo bigyan? Oo nga, parang pinalayas na lang tayo. Ano ba naman yun, wala nang tayong bahay, pinapalayas pa tayo. Sabi ko,
Pwede ba kayo mag-donate ng bubong sa amin?
Aga, kunin niyo yan Ay, mag-ano kayo? Pwede, hindi ko na.
Saan mo kayo, John?
If you guys want, you can...
Thank you, John.
Nung time na humingi siya ng pawid, kami ni Aaron, parang, sige, go. Kasi, since marami naman kami, kumbaga blessed kami sa lahat ng mga tribe. So, yun, sige, kunin nyo yan. Total, okay naman yung bubong namin. Hindi naman umuulan. Baka kasi sila, walang ganito, walang ganyan. Ayun, binigay namin yung sobrang.
Solid.
Good dancing shoes.
Mahingi sila ng pawid. And I said there's a few over there by the side. They can take those. So Moy started running around just grabbing things. Oh, here, you can have this, you can have that. And I'm like, first of all, you're not the leader of this tribe. And second of all, who gave you the power to make decisions to give anything away?
gusto pa nilang bigyan ng rope, ng ganito, ganyan. Hindi sila nagdadamot, pero paano kung kailanganin namin yun, binigay nila sa kabila. Ang part ng game naman na to talaga is to make the other tribe miserable kasi habang wala silang tinutulugan, mas mahirapan sila, mas madali kaming manalo.
God, sa bahay niyo!
Thank you so much.
Ibigyan namin yung prank. Yung kabila pag-shoot. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Ingat kayo. Opening up naman.
Babay dato mo eh.
Hey, you guys take care of me.
Sundan bukas.
Oh, God! Sana sinabi mo kanina na ano?
I did say something. I said there's 3 of us eating off of 1 plate. There's 2 of you.
Guys, sorry kung yung rice ko na madami yung guys, for one time.
Sana naman, dami-dami natin kanin. Sana sinabi mo dyan, oh, di ka samurai. I wanna explain, diba?
Huh? Don't say it with attitude.
Hindi,
I'm sorry if you don't understand my English. Don't say it with attitude.
I know. Di sabi ko sorry, sabi ko pasensya kung napadami yung kain ko, okay?
nag-alala na naman kami kasi pangalawa na naman niya itong nangingimay na naman at saka yung yung nireklamo siya na basa na talaga yung damit niya kasi magkatabi kami tapos parang nababad na naman ang paan niya pati ang mga kamay.
Hawakan mo lang kamay ko, ha?
Sila pag natulog ka.
Hindi ako natutulog.
Nakapigit yung mata mo eh. Huwag mo bibigit yung mata mo.
Pagod na ako.
Oo, sige, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang. Malapit na tayo.